Hello, nice to meet you. I hope you will enjoy learning English with us, and that you'll get lots of practice and interesting exercises. Let's get started. Let's meet the characters who will help us study the new vocabulary in real-life situations. Let me first introduce the teacher. His name is Mr. Brown, and this is his group of students. The students are here for intensive English learning. They're from different cities, and they're meeting for the first time. Let's get ready to meet them and learn different ways to greet people. Hello. Hi. More formal ways are good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When we meet people, we should show politeness and respect. It's a good idea to ask, "How are you? How are things going? Are you all right?" If you meet a person for the first time, you should show that you are pleased to meet that person. Nice to meet you. Glad to meet you. And you're sure to be interested in some information about the person, like age or the country he comes from and so on. It would be polite to ask, "Where are you from? What is your job? How old are you?" Here we can see a few web pages from our characters' social network accounts. Let's study their personal information and think what questions we might ask about each piece of data. This is Tom's profile. Here you see his full name. What question would be suitable in this case? That's right. What's your name? Next comes age. And the question is, sure, how old are you? We can also see some information about his hobbies and interests. What should we ask in this case? What are you interested in? As far as we can see, he is keen on chess, reading, and computers. So I suppose he's quite smart. The second account is his classmates. Her name is Anne. Oh, we can see that they are the same age. How old are they? Yes, they are both 12. And what's she interested in? Sport, mostly gymnastics. Whose account is that? He doesn't look like their classmate. Oh, he's their teacher, Mr. Brown. He looks really young in the photo on his profile. How old is he? Let's look for this information on his web page. Nothing. Perhaps he doesn't want us to know his age. In fact, it's not polite to ask adults about their age. Have you got accounts in social networks? What information is listed in your profile? Is your profile in Russian or in English? Let's see. See you soon.